We start tonight with continuing coverage following hundreds of abandoned housing projects. This week, the co-founder of Anchored Tiny Homes filed for bankruptcy. And tonight, ABC 10's Jeannie Nguyen shares what this means for people hoping to get the money that they are owed. Right, Jeannie?
Well, Alex, the experts tell me this bankruptcy filing is very clear. It means that Anchored Tiny Homes wants to be discharged from any and all debt that is owed. Now, as my reporting has shown, homeowners, subcontractors, and former employees believe that they're owed a lot of money. There are still some things people can do in order to try to get some of that money back.
I mean, they've taken an awful lot of money, from individuals. I mean, what have they done with it? I've seen, 300,000, 200,000. I mean, where is the money gone?
It's a question that many homeowners, subcontractors, and former employees of Anchored Tiny Homes wants to know the answer to. Where's the money?
This is very typical Chapter 7 case where the company simply wants to liquidate and not pay the creditors, unfortunately.
About 2 months after Anchored Tiny Homes announced its closure, the company's co-founder, Austin Paulus, filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Court records show the company owes more than $12.8 million and only has about $1.2 million in assets. While these numbers don't look good for people who are owed money, Linda Coco with the bankruptcy clinic at the McGeorge School of Law says those that are owed can file a claim with the courts.
They need to file a proof of claim in the case to have their claim and their identity recognized within the larger Chapter 7. They can file that down at the Eastern District of the Bankruptcy Court.
The filing lists nearly 90 pages of customers impacted by the company, with many of them showing they're owed only $1. ABC 10 spoke to dozens of people who say they're owed way more than just $1.
Just under $4,000 for the first project and about $6,500 for the second.
Coco says the proof of claim is important when assessing what is owed.
It's just a placeholder. It doesn't mean anything at all. Your proof of claim, when the creditor files the proof of claim, will be the place where the creditor can detail.
The filing comes with a long list of assets, including a dog. Coco says Paulus is required to list all assets, but can exempt certain items like his pet. This list also includes properties and a new car, but Coco says it still won't mean much.
They certainly own some expensive properties, but there are large bank liens against them. So the equity amount that would go to the estate, less any exemptions, right, is going to be far reduced.
Ultimately, will anyone get all of their money back?
In full is not likely at all in this case by any stretch. Very small amounts more likely.
I've reached out to the company's CEO, Colton Paulus, and Austin Paulus's attorney for comment multiple times, who said we're not able to comment on this matter right now, Alex.
Is there anything that people can do in the meantime or while they're waiting for this case to move forward?
Well, Alex, there is a meeting of creditors, so that means people who believe that they are owed money, they can go to this meeting, and that meeting will be held on Monday, October 28th, virtually. All the details on how you can attend to that meeting will be posted on our website at abc10.com.